So I bought the UrbanRed bendable ceiling curtain track because I needed a good solution for a room divider in my basement to separate the storage area from the living area. Overall, I've been really impressed with it. This is a bendable ceiling track. It comes in a variety of different sizes, so it makes it really easy to accommodate just about any room layout. It's made of high quality, durable PVC plastic, and it's really easy to install as long as you follow the instructions. One tip, you do want to make sure that you mount on the ceiling like this. Then, once you have the track mounted on the ceiling, as you can see here, you go ahead and put up your curtains. So this did come with hooks. I switched them out for different hooks only because I used some pretty heavy duty curtains. But once it's all hooked up, it is really easy to use and drag the curtains across the track. I love this ceiling curtain track. I don't know what I would have done without it in order to create the look that I wanted in my basement. And the most important thing is that now when I walk downstairs, I have this great room divider and I don't have to see the storage area. Highly recommend.